Hey, I'm Art, and we've recently moved house. And my garage door and surrounding wall, well, it's definitely seen better days. So today I'm going to freshen things up with a thorough clean and a lick of paint to brighten things up. With the right prep and a good coat of paint, we'll have it looking as good as new in no time. Let's get stuck in. To get this old garage door whipped into shape, the prep work was key. I primed the pine cladding with Resene Quick Dry. I got rid of the moss and mould with Resene Moss and Mould Killer, and then gave the whole thing a scrub with Resene Paint Prep and Housewash. I then primed the metal door with Resene pre-coated steel primer. Once it was all primed, I started with the top coats. First up was the garage door. I used Resene Sonyx 101 in Resene Ironsand. I went with the CoolColour formula. It's a clever pigment technology that reflects the sun's heat rather than absorbing it. It prevents the dark paint from getting too hot, which protects the door and keeps the paint looking fresh for longer. For the surrounding pine cladding, it was 2 top coats of Resene Lumber Cider and Resene Ironsand. Well, there you have it. This has made a huge difference. With a bit of prep and the right Resene products, we've transformed this whole area. First impressions really count, and I am stoked with how this turned out. I feel very house proud when people pull into the driveway now.